A rhombus-shaped field has green grass for 18 cows to graze. If each side of a rhombus is 30 meters and its longest diagonal is 48, how much area of grass field will each cow be getting? So my question to you guys is, what is a rhombus? And then I would like you guys to draw the required diagram. I hope you guys had a thought. So first thing is, we have a quadrilateral in which all the four sides are equal. The diagonals need not be equal, so that is a rhombus. So we have a rhombus. Okay, I'll draw the diagonals next. Actually, that will be convenient. And now just 2 units away. So that's your rhombus. So all the sides supposed to be equal, and the diagonals need not be equal, but they bisect each other. So this is your ABCD, and each side is of 30 units or 30 centimeter, and the diagonal is 48 meters. Okay, we need to find the area of this particular field. Thing is, we can go in two ways. One, we can use the area of the rhombus, which is half into diagonal 1 into diagonal 2. Diagonal 1 we already know. We can find the diagonal 2 using Pythagoras theorem, or use Heron's formula. Find area of one of these triangles, because we know the three sides, and double it, and you can find the entire area of the rhombus. So you guys can try the second way, the first way, finding both the diagonals and doing it. I'll do with the Heron's formula. So given we have 18 cows. Now the working. See, all this question, it's not that hard. The smartness is about how you calculate things faster. So I'll be showing you guys what I mean. So consider triangle, we'll go with triangle ADB. So we have, first is semi-perimeter, which is sum of the three sides divided by 2. So this happens to be 30 plus 48 by 2. So 30 plus 30 by 2 is 60 by 2, that is 30 again, and 48 by 2, that is, okay, I'll show you guys, 24. 24 is 54 centimeter, right? Again, you can calculate this way, that's faster. So this is the smartness which I'm talking about. So calculating things fast. In all of this question, it's the same formula, it's the same concept. There's no new concept per se. It's all about calculations. Then we have the area of triangle, which is given by s times of s minus a and s minus b into s minus c, the square root of this entire thing. So this is 54 into 54 minus 30 into 54 minus 30 into 54 minus 48 to the power of half. And now we have 54 into, this is 24 square into this is how much? 6 square. Sorry, not 6 square, 6. Okay. And now we have, this is where you guys have to think over how to calculate. I already gave a clue. So the calculation part is the tricky part over here. So we have 24 square root. So square root of 24 into 54. We can't take a square root, but we can write it as 9 into 6. Right? See, first I always think about 4. Is it divisible by 4? Because we have square root of 4. If not, then square root of 9 is there, right? So I'll try to see if it's a multiple of 9. So 9 6 are it's a bingo because we have 6. So 6 into 6, 6 square. And now you can write 24 over here because square and square root gets cancelled, and this is square root of 9, that is 3, and square root of 6 square, that is 6. And don't continue the calculation, end it over here. This is not the final answer, remember. So this is how, and this is what you guys have to do in your exams. Try to reduce your calculations. And we use the formula AB whole to the power of n, which is a to the power of n into b to the power of n. And now we'll talk about area of grass field each cow gets is given by area of ABCD divided by 18. But area of ABCD is, I'll write it over here, is here itself 2 times of area of ADB divided by 18. But why is it 2 times? Because the diagonal or diagonals of a rhombus bisects it into 2 equal areas. And now we have 2 times of area of triangle ADB, that is 24 into 3 into 6 divided by 18. So 6 3s are 18. See, that's the advantage of not calculating. And this answer is 48, and the unit is meter square. Very important to write the unit, and very important not to calculate things. So, and this is your answer.